Hello. First, sorry for my bad English, but I'm trying my best to introduce our system for you. Hope you can get my meaning. This is our PEM electronic system. Yeah, you can see here is pure water tank, and here is PEM electrolyte, and this is iron resin. Yes. And this is power supply for the pump, this pump, and this is the power supply for the PEM electronic, and this is another. I forgot the English how to say it. It's for filter the water, yeah. And here is sorry, I don't know the English how to say it. It's about the input water something material. I don't know. Sorry for my bad English. And you can see we have tube here and tube here, and also some cable here. Yeah. Here we have two buttons. This is for all the system. You can open it and it will be work, and this one for the pump power, and this is the cable. You see cable and the plug here, and now I will show you. Give the power, open the all system, and then open the pump. Can you see hydrogen? Here is hydrogen to here, output to here. We need to add pure water before you use the system. Yes, pure water. And you open the power, you can see the water, pure water from here, this tube, from here to the PEM electronic, and then the water will back to the tank because it's recycle working. And hydrogen, can you see this tube? Sorry, it's too tight here. Tube here, hydrogen will from this tube. This tube from here, yes, from here, hydrogen from here, and then to here, hydrogen. You will see hydrogen is here. You can see much bubble, hydrogen, water here. I hope this video will help you to understand our system. Thanks.